Okay, so let's go back to our funnel and we're going to go to the downsell page. We'll click on that. And right now, let's go ahead and edit the page. And in ClickFunnels, when we click on the button, it's going to bring us to our products when we set the action, right? So we're going to set action here, and it should already have that downsell shirt we have here selected because that's the only item we put up there. And that's going to be for the button action. So when we clicked on this, what it should have done was it should have taken us to our order page and skipped the upsell. So what we want to do is let's go ahead and grab that URL of the order page, and I'll show you why right now. So let's go back to the root. And we're going to go to our order confirmation page. And this is our order confirmation. So we're just going to go ahead and copy that. And now let's go back to our downsell page. And in the downsell page, there's this concept called if you go to settings in general, this is called it's a redirect override. So by default, as you can see on here, when the button is clicked, this is the default action that it does. It goes to the next page. But because this is a downsell, what I would recommend is we paste in our order confirmation URL, which is that. So we're going to go ahead and click off of that, and it should save it. But just to make sure, let's go back to settings in general. And as you can see on here, oops, that didn't save. So let's go ahead and paste. And I think I need to click off, and then let's go ahead and check that out again. And I'm not sure why it's not sticking there. So let's paste that again. Do I need to hit enter? No. Maybe I need to save first. So let's do that. And now let's go check that again. And there it is. So I guess you just have to click off and then go and save, and then it will save your page. So essentially what we're telling ClickFunnels now is when somebody clicks that button here, it's going to take them to the order confirmation page.